The process starts from the strain. Boiron uses 3,000 raw materials or strains, among them 1,400 strains from vegetable origin, like arnica, 500 from animal origin, like the honeybee, 1,100 from mineral or chemical origin, like arsenic. 1,400 plants or parts of plants are used. Most of them are harvested from their natural location and used fresh. Boiron Laboratories relies on a team of 100 botanical experts to harvest the plants in the wild. They have to respect strict and precise specifications, harvest far from polluted areas, and respect the ecosystems to preserve the growing sites from one year to the next. Plants are cultivated using organic methods only when they do not spontaneously grow in the wild, like the artichoke, for example. Fresh plants are shipped in refrigerated trucks to the laboratory and used for manufacturing within 24 hours at the latest after gathering. During receiving, all strains are rigorously controlled for quality. A team of more than 120 pharmacists, chemists, and botanists is in charge of the tracing and control from the raw material to the finished medicine. For botanical strains, we must first extract all active principles in a mother tincture. This phytochemical extraction method is widely used in the pharmaceutical industry. After being chopped up, the plants soak in a hydroalcoholic solution in stainless steel drums. Only water purified by biosmosis is used. The plant's water content is measured using infrared scales to accurately calculate the exact proportion of water and alcohol. The tincture's alcoholic content depends on the strain and varies between 45% and 65%. The maceration lasts between 15 and 21 days. Then, hydraulic presses separate the mother tincture from the plant's solid residue, which is then recycled into compost. The tincture is filtered on cartridges that retain particles larger than 1 micron, or even 0.45 micron for certain preparations. The Quality Control Laboratory determines the alcoholic degree, the dry residue after evaporation, as well as the identification of characteristic molecules by thin layer chromatography. Soluble material or chemical substances are transformed into a thin powder and diluted in lactose in defined proportions. This process, called trituration, is repeated until the mixture becomes soluble and can be used to prepare the first liquid dilution. Once the homeopathic mother tincture or the first liquid dilution is obtained, one can start the dilution process. To do this, 1 part of mother tincture is diluted in 99 parts of hydroalcoholic solution. The liquid is then vigorously shaken in a calibrated device. This process is called succussion. The result is called 1C. It is then repeated to prepare the recurring dilutions, 30 times for instance, to get a 30C. The dilutions are processed inside laminar flow enclosures in an extremely pure atmosphere. Homeopathic medicine's neutral form is most often pellets. Multi-dose tubes contain large pellets or granules, and unit-dose tubes small pellets or globules. Pellets are manufactured from crystals of lactose on which sucrose powder and syrup are successively sprayed in rotating turbines. This is a complex and lengthy operation, taking 13 days to grow globules and 3 more days to grow granules. In 2008, Boiron manufactured 700 metric tons of pellets. To incorporate the homeopathic solution into the natural pellets, Boiron uses a specific, patented process which ensures a homogeneous medication. The homeopathic solution is sprayed on the rotating pellets in 3 cycles, with drying phases in between. It takes 55 minutes to medicate 10 pounds of pellets, corresponding to 5,000 tubes. The medicated pellets are then packaged. Boiron uses air and watertight tubes and inert polypropylene with a pellet dispenser to ensure the best protection to the medicine. There are about 20 different pharmaceutical forms for homeopathic medicines. The most common are drops, syrups, tablets, gels, creams and ointments, liquid unit doses, and suppositories. Boiron's medicines are distributed to French pharmacies on a daily basis from our 30 local branches. They are also shipped to more than 80 countries. Homeopathic medicines are now prescribed by more than 200,000 physicians and used by 400 million people in many countries, like France, of course, and also the United States, Canada, Russia, Spain, Italy, Poland, India, etc.
Merci.
Most homeopathic medicines are sold over the counter, but some are prescription only. In the United States, homeopathic medicines are delivered in pharmacies, health food stores, and mass market. Boiron provides information, training, and merchandising to help healthcare professionals and retailers in addressing customers' needs.
Donc 5 granules 3 fois par jour de celui-ci, nitricum acidum. En bas, vous tournez, on tombe régulièrement, quand vous en avez 5.
Alors on est 3.
Parce que vous avez plusieurs souches qui concourent à calmer l'inflammation et...
Je pose pas plus de questions. Non mais pas. Excusez-moi.
Oui, bonjour Annabelle.
Je suis un peu stressée.
Oui, il n'y aura aucune somnolence dans la journée, vous pouvez réviser sans problème.
Ok, merci beaucoup. Bon, moi je vais prendre ça.
Oui.
Alors,
c'est la même. Alors 5,40 s'il vous plaît. Vous avez une petite pochette?
Non, c'est bon.
D'accord.